Samsung is expected to launch the most anticipated smartphone, the Galaxy S25 Edge, in the coming weeks as the slimmest model in the Galaxy S25 series. The company hinted at the launch of a fourth model when it launched the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup in January, and the smartphone could be available for purchase a month after it's launched. Samsung is likely to produce a limited number of units of the Galaxy S25 Edge in 3 colorways. According to various reports, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by a custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, just like the other 3 models in the Galaxy S25 series. The smartphone is expected to feature a flat display, unlike previous Edge handsets from Samsung, and it's expected to have a thickness of 6.4 millimeters. When Samsung teased the Galaxy S25 Edge at its first Galaxy Unpacked event of the year, the smartphone was shown to feature a dual rear camera setup. It's said to be featured with a 200MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. The smartphone is also expected to house a 3900 mAh battery, which is slightly smaller than the one on the regular Samsung Galaxy S25 model. According to an industry source, a report in the Seoul Economic Daily indicated that the Samsung Galaxy S25 will be launched on April 16th. The handset will be launched during an upcoming online Galaxy Unpacked event. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge will reportedly go on sale in select markets in May, and the handset will be offered in black, light blue, and silver colorways. According to the report, Samsung will initially make 40,000 units of this device, or less than 1% of the smartphone maker's production volume, as per the report.